Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Today our topic is the animal kingdom. Animal kingdom is divided into two groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. Now we see what is vertebrates. Vertebrates are the animals that have a backbone. Vertebrates are divided into five types: mammals, birds, reptiles, fish, amphibians. Now we further discuss it. Mammals. They are born from the mothers. They breathe through lungs. They live in the water, the air, and the ground. They have their body covered by fur. They are warm blooded. Warm blooded are those animals, their body temperature remains constant. Next, birds. Body covered with feathers. They usually have porous, lightweight bones to allow them to fly. They live flying or on the ground. They have wings to fly. Their mouths are toothless beaks. They are warm blooded animals. They are born from eggs. Next, reptiles. Reptiles, the longest lived species on the planet. They are cold blooded animals. Cold blooded are those animals their body temperature changes according to their environment. Their body covered with scales or shell, they cannot chew. They are born from eggs. They live on the ground or in the water. Next, fish. They live underwater. They breathe throughout gills. Some of them have scales covering their bodies. Fins help them to move under the water. They are cold blooded animals. They are born from eggs. Next, amphibians. Amphibians have thin and humid skin transformation throughout their life cycle. They change their breathing method through lungs, gills, or skin. They are born from eggs. They are cold blooded animals. They live on the ground and water. Now we see what is an invertebrate. Invertebrates have no backbone, has an internal or external skeleton made of protein, glass, limestone or water. They usually small. Over 95% of animals are invertebrates. Invertebrates divided into six types: arthropods, mollusks, annelids, echinoderms, sponges, cnidarians. Arthropods have segmented body, hard exoskeleton, jointed legs, and many pairs of limbs. Next, mollusks. Mollusks have soft bodied, some have shells and some do not. They are the first organisms on earth with complete organ system. Next, annelids. Annelids mean little rings. They have segmented body. They range in length from 1 millimeter to 3 meter. Next is echinoderm. Echinoderms are invertebrates, have internal skeleton, water vascular system of fluid filled tubes. They live in salt water. Next is sponges. Sponges live in water attached to objects. They have hollow body with opening at top. Water flows through pores into body. Next is cnidarian. Cnidarian have plain body having two cell layers and specialized structure. Dear student, I hope you have understood this very well. So take care and goodbye.